Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PowerPoint tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to take screenshots of your PC and add it to your PowerPoint slider presentation without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, if you want to add a screenshot to any of your presentation slider right here, go ahead and make sure you select on the slider. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to the Insert tab right here. And the next thing you want to do is click on here and make sure you click on screen clipping. Click on that. Then you have to drag and draw the area you want to screenshot. Let's say, for instance, I want to screenshot this part on my PC and automatically be captured. Then here I can adjust the size of the screenshots as the case may be. I can position it in the slider as the case may be, just like what you see right here. So you can go on and add screenshots into any part of your slider. So this one here has been fully added. We can decide to add another screenshot to this part. So let's say, for instance, we want to screenshot part from the web. So go ahead and open up your browser. So let's say I want to screenshot this part of the result right here. So we want to make sure we bring out my PowerPoint right here. Then we want to make sure we go to Insert tab. Then we click on screenshot right here, and then we make sure we click on screen clipping, and then automatically we want to make sure we drag and capture the area we want to screenshot, and automatically then we can add it right here. And one more thing here is that you can format your screenshot in different entirely different way. So for that, you just have to make sure you play around with some of the design tools right here. You can also come to color right here and give it a different kind of color as the case may be. I'm satisfied with this color right here. You can also convert it to artistic, and then you can also work on the correction of the color right here. So you can do all sorts of things as far as this is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your PowerPoint slider, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.